Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to another PR unboxing. I'm just always so surprised and so grateful when I get PR. I can't believe that I have enough boxes here to be able to do a little PR unboxing video. I love PR unboxing videos. They're some of my favorite videos to watch, and therefore I love filming them as well. And I am so excited to get into these products here. Why don't I just jump right into it and start with this one here. Look at how beautifully packaged this is. This is from Kenzie, and it's the So Pretty collection. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love Kenzie fragrances. I've used Kenzie perfume, I've used lotions, and I just love all of them. They make the best smelling products. And so this is all in the scent So Pretty. I'm so excited to smell it. This is seriously such a beautiful gift box. Oh my gosh, it smells so nice right away. And seriously, this box is beautiful. I'm gonna save this box. Oh my gosh, look at all of this. I'm so excited about this So Pretty collection because the phrase so pretty is something I say all the time. It's one of my favorite ways to describe a pretty makeup product or a pretty scent. Seriously, when I'm watching my videos, I'm like, wow, I say that a lot. And this is in a pretty glass bottle as well. So why don't I test out the scent? Oh, I love this. It actually reminds me a lot of my favorite all-time perfume, which is Fantasy by Britney Spears. So it has that sweet floral smell to it, which is amazing. Wow, okay, I am so grateful that I have this in the full size as well, because this is absolutely a scent that I would purchase in the full size. This is like a perfect signature scent for me. Oh, I am seriously in love with this. Wow, how did they send me the most perfect scent? I'm so excited. And then I also got the body lotion here, which I have been needing a new body lotion. I'm so excited. Then I can have my body lotion smell like the perfume. And what I like to do is when I'm wearing a scented body lotion, I kind of skip out on the perfume that day. So then that'll let me save my perfume so then I can get even more wear out of this scent. And then this looks amazing. Body glow oil with like some shimmer in it. That is such a genius idea. And to have that beautiful scent, wow. I love a body glow, so I'm so excited about that too. Oh my gosh, I'm just in love with this set. Every single product that I got in here is so perfect for me. But also, if you're trying to come up with a good gift to get someone, I feel like perfumes and lotions are always a great option. Which reminds me, there's actually a discount code. So the Kenzie fragrance team is so kind to send me all these products, but they're also so kind to give an awesome discount code. You can get 40% off if you use the code KEN40. Oh my gosh, and they're giving free product to you as well. If you go to this kenziefragrance.com/pretty, you can get a free 10 milliliter of the So Pretty perfume, and you just pay the $4.99 shipping. Oh my gosh. Well, I am so excited. So the 10 milliliter is the one that I just showed here. So you can get that for free. Wow, so I'll have that link in the description down below. I'll have that discount code. But seriously, this is an amazing gift to get someone this holiday season. I am probably gonna get this for people as well because it is that awesome. So yay, thank you so much to Kenzie for sending me these. I can't wait to use these products literally every day. And next up, I have here some products from the brand Orisa. And so first I have the Orisa Beauty Velvet Ribbon Semi-Matte Lipstick. So excited. I have tried out a few Orisa products on my channel that I've gotten in Ipsy, and I'm so excited to get to try out more. Let's check out what this lipstick looks like. But you know what, I'm gonna be trying this out in a full dedicated review video anyways as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on that. But really pretty packaging. Ooh, in a really pretty burgundy shade. Wow, oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little swatch. I can't even resist. Oh my gosh, that is so creamy and pigmented and such a beautiful burgundy berry shade. I love that. Perfect winter shade. That's beautiful. And then they also sent me over, this is the Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips, and nails, vitamin E and rice bran oil. Oh my gosh, this sounds perfect for me and my dry skin. It has been perfectly formulated to repair and protect sensitive skin. It's developed as an all-purpose skin and lip balm with UVA and UVB filters for sun protection, moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, soothing. This sounds so nice for my dry skin and my chapped lips. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and try this out in a dedicated video as well. And then they also sent me, oh my gosh, are these their eyeshadow quads? I love their eyeshadow quads. Yes, this one's the Nude Shimmer and Contour Palette. Let's check it out. Beautiful. I feel like this is kind of like an eyeshadow palette, but I love it. A matte shade, 3 sparkly looking shimmers. Love those shades. And then this one here is the Camo Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. I love this one too. Oh, that's a really fun yellowy gold. Oh my gosh, and a green. Okay, love this one too. I'm so excited to play with those palettes and create some eyeshadow looks. Orisa makes really beautiful eyeshadows. So wow, thank you so much to Orisa Beauty for sending me all of that. And then here I have some products from Winky Lux, which I love Winky Lux. They make the cutest products. Like, look at this adorable box. Ooh, and these are some of their holiday items. Oh my gosh, seriously, like the Winky Lux packaging. It's always so beautiful. So this is like a little ornament. And this is the Glimmer Balm in the shade Ruby pH Lip Balm. Oh, it's a transforming lip balm. I love those types of products. And then this is lip oil, like a shimmery kind of lip gloss. Snowflake Lip Oil, ultra hydrating. Well, you know I'm going to be trying these out in dedicated videos as well. Oh my gosh, look at this adorable gift set here. This is glossed up. So you get 3 lip glosses and they are limited edition. Quartz, Moonstone, and Amber. Well, I love lip glosses. These are so pretty. And then, ooh, this is another Glimmer Balm. Rosé Transforming pH Lip Balm. These are great to get as gifts because the Transforming pH Lip Balms, they automatically adjust to whoever's wearing them their perfect color based off of like their pH, which is so neat, so customized, individual, and unique. So these are awesome gifts. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These are beautiful. Thank you so much, Winky Lux, for sending these to me. And then here I have a package from Dr. Lip, which is another brand that I tried out some products from Ipsy that I really loved. I love this company. They say, let's face it, we don't need a different product for every part of our body. So we've decided to get practical and be part of the solution. So they are multi-use products. Reduce the strain on both your pocket and the planet. Love that. So they're 100% natural, sustainable, maximum of 6 ingredients, not tested on animals, guaranteed pure. And they sent over a bunch of products. So this one here, the Original Nipple Balm. So you can apply this wherever you have dry skin. It's multi-use skincare. That's awesome. This one here, oh, this is the Superfood Sweet Potato Tint. This is what I believe I've tried out and I love it. I put it on my cheeks, put it on my lips, even on my eyes. It's absolutely beautiful. And I also have the Red Radish tint. This is another one I've tried that I love, and the Elderberry tint. So I'll have my review of these linked in the description down below, but I'm so excited to have more of them because they are seriously so awesome. Ooh, and then this one, CBD Calm Balm. I love CBD products. Fragrance free, 100% natural, super hydrating for wherever you need to apply it. And then this is the little pack that I tried out that has the sweet potato, elderberry, and red radish in slightly smaller but still good size versions. And this is a fantastic gift to get someone, in my opinion. I will probably be gifting this because now I am well stocked up and I want other people to try it out because it is so awesome. I just love how multi-use it is and the natural aspect that means a lot to me in my products. And then I also can't believe I got another Influenster Voxbox. I can't believe it because I am honestly not very active on Influenster at all, but I seem to get a lot of Voxboxes. So anyone can sign up for Influenster. It's just an app where you can go on and review products, ask questions, and it's a really fun app, very helpful if you want product information on anything, not just makeup. It could be lifestyle, food, businesses, they've got everything on there. But so they sent me the Revlon box. Let's see what I got here. Ooh, the new Revlon So Fierce Big Bad Lash. Oh my gosh, well, I love trying out mascaras. And this is so awesome that I got sent the new mascara. I'm so excited to try that. Oh my gosh, and they also sent me a new lash curler, the triple stepped lash curler. This is so perfect because I actually need a new lash curler. I think the one that I currently use that I've had forever is from Revlon, but it's just so old that I'm like, I should really get a new one by now. So this is seriously perfect timing. And then they also sent me, this is also new, the So Fierce Chrome Ink Liquid Liner that I got in the shade Bronzage, which I'm really glad it's not just a black eyeliner. This looks beautiful. Bronze, basically looks bronze. Oh my gosh, molten metal finish. Well, I'm gonna be trying these out in full dedicated videos very soon. I'm so thankful. I feel so lucky that I got these. And then I'm also really thankful. I have 2 new Skinstar boxes, which these have different Korean skincare products that are so nice. They come really beautifully packaged. Sensible items for skin we recommend for prepping winter. I definitely use different types of products in the winter than I do in the summer when it comes to skincare. And some of these products I recognize. So I have from the brand CL4, Vita C Brightening Ampoule Mask, the Pure Heals Centella 80 Eye Cream, the BRTC Centella Cica Derm Calming Cure Complex, the Essence Herb Pure Golden Jojoba Oil. Wow, I just find Korean skincare so interesting. They have such awesome ingredients. This is from BRTC. It's the Peeling Pads, Vitalizing Multivital Force. And then another from CL4, Vita C Brightening Ampoule. This is very beautiful packaging. Here from BRTC, Vitamin C20 Antioxidant Ampoule. So many ampoule or ampoules, which I have barely even used before, but they seem to be very big in Korean skincare, so they must be really good. And then we have the BRTC Centella Cica Foam Cleanser, Calming 5 Phytoactive Complex. Very, very nice. So nice of them to send these to me. So I'm going to be very well stocked up in skincare. I might be doing a giveaway soon because I have so much of it. And then in this second Skinstar box, holiday skincare products. Oh, this is so fun. They sent over some really pretty holiday stickers. Here we have Oh, I definitely need this. BRTC Anti-Pollution and Blackhead Cleansing Oil. I definitely deal with blackheads. I'm gonna have to start using this right away. This is the BRTC Panthenol Sleeping Pack Brightening and Skin Barrier Heat Relief Complex. Very cool. BRTC Centella Sicker Toner in a pad. That sounds very convenient. This is Hyaluronic Propolis Soothing Ampoule. Pretty packaging there. Ooh, a BRTC Centella Sicca Lip Balm. This looks so cute. Here are some CLIV or CL4 Hyaluronic Propolis Soothing Ampoule Mask. I really want to try out those masks. Then we've got Essence Herb Ceramide ATO Green Barley Cream. See, like, green barley is not a ingredient that I really recognize from the skincare that I see in the stores around me, but I love these Skinstar boxes that introduce me to other ingredients in Korean skincare. And then we have from Pure Heals the Propolis 50 Volume Mist. I am seriously so blown away, so grateful and thankful for all of these products. It seriously feels like I just had a Christmas morning opening all of these amazing boxes. But so let me know in the comments down below if you have tried any of these products, what your thoughts are on them. And thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.